Assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be a little fun, a little different. Some people might be very much familiar with it, and some people might be like, what are you even making? But I know a lot of people are already familiar with this, but I don't have a video up on it on my channel yet, so I thought why not do it. So of course, by the title you can figure it out. We're going to be making curry chicken pilau. So you're probably wondering, well, what is curry chicken pilau? For those of you guys who don't know, well, pilau for us traditionally here in Trinidad involves like stewing chicken and the addition of like pigeon peas and carrots and coconut milk and golden ray butter and pumpkin. But in this video, we're just going to be currying the chicken like we usually make curry chicken, but we're going to be using like the pilau kind of style. We're still going to be adding the coconut milk, and we're going to be adding the pigeon peas or the carrots and the rice. Very similar to the regular pilau, but we're going to be currying the chicken. So there's no stewing, there's no brown sugar, there's no ketchup involved, there's no golden ray butter, and there's no pumpkin. So let's get into this video. Alright, so let's just go through the ingredients so you guys will know exactly what you will need if you do decide to give this recipe a try. For those of you who are just curious and want to try it out, I'm going to be using the JGM Products hot curry, but remember there's also the light curry and the medium curry, so you can use whichever one you want. I'm going to be using a little bit of the saffron powder, some roasted geera. I'm going to be making some green seasoning, and for the green seasoning you're going to be using some shadow benny, or what you call culantro, some hot pepper, pimento, garlic. That's usually what goes into our basic type of green seasoning. You can check out that full video. I will post that link down below so you can take a look at how it is that I make my green seasoning. I'm going to be using carrot, onion, and I have some frozen pigeon peas here that I'm going to be using. I don't have any of the freshly picked one or anything on hand, so I'm using the frozen one, and you can just let it thaw out for a little bit. It will cook in the heat, so no need to put it in any sort of water before. Just let it thaw out. So mine is already thawed out here, so it's not like frozen, so this should be fine. I'm going to be using some coconut milk, some parboiled rice, and of course my chicken that I'm going to be seasoning up with the green seasoning and with the curry powder. So real quickly, I'm just going to be making my green seasoning. I've got pimento. I just used piece of the pepper because I did not realize, I forgot actually that this is scorpion pepper that I have on hand, and scorpion pepper is very hot, so I'm just using a piece in it. Garlic, and of course the shadow benny or culantro is so important in Trini cooking. We put this in just about every and anything. Now I'm going to be honest, now the green seasoning, to me, like when you add in these sort of seasonings and stuff to your meat, it really depends on you and you know how much seasoning you like in your food. If you like it extra seasoned up like I do, so I don't want to really give too much of the measurements. I will still list it down below, but I don't really want to say, well, this is how you have to do it or this is how you must do it in order for it to taste good. It's always up to you and you know your likes. So I'm just going to add some geera to this and some curry powder. I forgot to tell you, we'll also be using a tomato. So I'm just going to cut this up. Now you can let this sit and marinate for as long as possible once you have the time, or you can just cook it immediately. It's up to you. In goes some black pepper and the salt. Now this can be adjusted, so I will just say salt to taste. Just going to mix this up, and we're just going to set it aside for about an hour, and then we're going to make our curry chicken pilau. So let's start. I've got some coconut oil in my pot. I'm going to be adding my onions. Then I'm adding the curry powder and some geera, and you're keeping your heat on low, and like with all the curry dishes, you're just going to toast your curry powder Takes a minute, 2 minutes. Now I know some people not a fan of the dark curry. When you toast any curry powder, it does darken in color, so you can add some of the saffron or the turmeric to add some more yellow color to it. So I will be doing that in this video. Add a little water. To this I am adding the saffron powder. And in goes my chicken. So you want to stir it up properly so that the chicken is nicely coated with that curry powder. I'm going to raise the heat to about medium now. I'm adding just a little water. In goes my rice, my peas, and my carrots goes in. My coconut milk. Give this a quick stir. Oh, this smells really good. And now we're going to add water. I'm throwing in some green seasoning. Of course, you're going to be adding more when it's done. And a pinch of salt. We will adjust when it's just about finished. And I'm going to cover this and let this cook. So our curry chicken is up and cooking. It smells very, very nice. Now I was thinking if to do a curry stew pilau. Now that is just basically seasoning the chicken with the curry powder and the jeera and stuff, and then stewing it. So you put the sugar to you caramelize your sugar, and then you add your curried seasoned chicken to that, and you can add your little ketchup and stuff to it. Maybe we could do that in another video, but today is just strictly a curry chicken pilau. Now there's a constant debate. There's always talk about, is it a dry pilau or a sappy wet pilau? Some people love the dry ones. They say that is how pilau is supposed to be, and then they have the wet slash sappy ones. They prefer it that way. I actually prefer my pilau more on the wet sappy side. So of course the amount of water you need to add to your pilau will of course depend on just how dry or how sappy you enjoy your pilau. So you can add and adjust according to your preference. Same thing goes for the seasoning. If you are spicy or hot, like a lot of seasoning, just add as much green seasoning. We love to add green seasoning just about every single thing here. So you can add as much and just adjust, just have fun in it. Have fun with it. I would have even added a potato in it, but normally you don't really get pilau with potato, but I didn't have potato to add in, but you can just, add potato to it, why not as well. But if you do want to see my version of a regular pilau, which involves the stewing of the chicken, you can check out the video right here. I will post the link to this video down below so you can be sure to check it out. And my dad also did his version of pilau. Now it's totally different from mine. He uses whatever he has in the kitchen to make his own pilau. So he adds just about everything, including orange juice. So you can check out that video right here as well. I'll post the link to that one down below as well. Just in case you want to see my version of a curry chicken, regular style curry chicken, check out the video. Post the link to that one down below as well so you can take a look at that. And the curry stew, that video link is down below as well, so you can take a look at it when you get some time. So I was going to do that version, curry stew. It's really nice, really different, but husband said the curry pilau. Now like I said, the amount of water depends on if you like wet or sappy pilau, and also the length of time you're going to leave it to cook. So I'm going to add more water to this, and then I'm going to leave the cover off and let it cook down. And if you prefer more of a dark kind of colored curry, you can eliminate the saffron or the turmeric like what I would usually do. But if you like a lighter style curry, be sure to add the turmeric for that, more of a yellow, not lighter but more of a yellow sort of curry. So I'm leaving the cover off. The heat is still on medium, and I'm just let this cook down. Once most of the water is gone, it should be fine. We'll taste it and adjust for salt and for pepper, and we will add some more of the green seasoning just to finish it off.
A few moments later.
So I added just a little more water because I like my rice soft, and I'm just going to sprinkle some roasted geera on it just to finish it off. I'm adding the remainder of the green seasoning. Believe it or not, that scorpion pepper was not even hot, so I am going to be adding more. Usually I would add a pepper to steam as well, but because scorpion pepper is the only one I had, I didn't want to eat a steamed scorpion pepper, but it's not hot, so I'm just adding in some more because curry dishes to me need to have spice. And I'm just going to leave it until most of that water is gone. And easy like that, we've got ourselves curry chicken pilau. Right, so now probably still seeing some liquid, yes I know, but I am taking off the stove and I'm just going to leave this on the heat, and most of that liquid will continue to dry out. But like I say, wet sappy pilau is the way to go. So this is it for our chicken pilau, curry chicken pilau. Just leaving it on, and that is it. My mouth is just watering looking at this. This is exactly how I like my pilau, and I love eating pilau hot right off the stove. So yeah, you know, you must have the full works. So we go in with the salad, of course, some cucumber, and this onion chow. So whenever, like, you know, usually curry dishes, this is one of the things that just adds an extra kick to your curry plate. So this is onion or pepper, onion pepper chow, whichever one you call it. You all need to have this. So I personally would not usually go for the coleslaw with the curry chicken pilau. I would more go for like this, mother-in-law, but I don't have any mother-in-law right now. And some coachella. You normally eat coachella with the regular stewed version of the chicken pilau too. So curry chicken pilau with your little onion pepper chow, your cucumber, your lettuce, and you have yourself a nice, delicious, different kind of lunch. Alright guys, and that is it for our curry chicken pilau. A plate of goodness. Smells very nice. Now, like I said, some of you will be familiar with it. Those of you who have never heard of this curry chicken pilau, you all need to try it for sure. It's delicious, and like I said, I'm eating it with the onion pepper chow. The video for that, I'll post the link down below. It's super easy to make. The mother-in-law goes perfectly well with this, but I have no curry to make the mother-in-law with, so I have to do without it. Coachella and some fresh salad. My mouth is just watering talking about it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to try it out, of course. Let me know what you guys think, and look out for lots more videos to come. Don't forget to check out all the curry stew, curry chicken pilau, Dad's version of pilau. All the links are down below. Stay tuned to the next video.